Discover innovation at its finest with 20 new Hilti tools you have probably never seen before. From cutting-edge cordless power tools to smart fastening and measuring solutions, Hilti continues to push job site performance to new levels. These tools are built for durability, precision, and speed. Designed to help professionals work faster, safer, and smarter on every project. PM 50mg 22 multi-line laser. The Hilti PM 50mg 22 multi-line laser is built for demanding layout work, delivering 3 ultra-bright 360-degree green laser planes for precise leveling, aligning, squaring, and plumbing. Powered by the Nuron 22-volt battery platform, it offers long run time and excellent visibility, even in daylight. Its rugged IP54 housing, fast self-leveling, fine adjustment controls, and smart tracking features make it a reliable job site-ready solution for professionals who need speed, accuracy, and durability. SL6-22 LED construction light. The Hilti SL622 Cordless LED construction light is a rugged high-performance job site lighting solution delivering up to 3,000 lumens of bright natural illumination. Powered by the Nuron 22-volt battery platform, it offers 3 brightness modes with last setting memory for efficiency. A fully adjustable rotating head, multiple mounting options, and IP54 rated durability make it ideal for demanding construction environments, ensuring reliable light exactly where professionals need it. NRC 6-22 Rebar cutter. The Hilti NR C622 Cordless rebar cutter is built for fast, safe, and precise cutting of rebar and threaded rod on demanding job sites. Powered by the Nuron 22-volt platform, it delivers cordless mobility with low spark, burr-free cuts using cermet-tipped X-cut blades. An enclosed blade guard, adjustable side handle, and chip collection improves safety and control, while flush cutting up to 25mm boosts productivity with fewer finishing steps, and longer runtime supports all-day professional use across multiple steel applications easily. BX422 is a nailer. The Hilti BX422 is a powerful cordless nailer designed for fast, clean, and efficient fastening without gas or powder. Powered by the Nuron 22-volt platform, it delivers up to 1,000 nails per hour with consistent performance in concrete and steel. Smart features like a nail refill indicator, adjustable power settings, LED light, and cloud connectivity make it ergonomic, reliable, and ideal for modern professional contractors. TE Trees Tukstoshi AVR. The Hilti TE 3000 AVR is a high-performance electric breaker that delivers demolition power comparable to large pneumatic hammers without the need for a compressor. With up to 85 joules of impact energy, it tears through heavy concrete fast while breaking up to 6 tons per hour. Active vibration reduction, AVR, keeps vibration low for better comfort, while the brushless motor, quick change chuck, and detachable power cord ensure durability, efficiency, and easy job site handling. Jaibot. The Hilti Jaibot is a semi-autonomous, cordless drilling robot built for MEP installations, taking over demanding overhead drilling and marking tasks with precision. Guided by BIM data and laser positioning, it autonomously locates, marks, and drills planned holes while syncing progress to the cloud in real time. With integrated dust removal, obstacle detection, and up to 8 hours of battery runtime, the Jaibot boosts accuracy, safety, and productivity on modern construction sites. HIT-FP 700R. The Hilti HIT-FP 700R is an innovative injectable, inorganic cementitious mortar engineered for post-installed rebar connections where fire performance is critical. Unlike organic mortars, it retains exceptional bond strength at extreme temperatures, performing like concrete even up to 500 degrees Celsius. With extensive ETA and ICC-ES approvals, safe-set compatibility, dust-free installation, and support through Hilti Profile software, it delivers long-term reliability, safety, and efficiency for demanding structural applications. NPU 100-22 Knockout Punch Tool. The Hilti NPU 100-22 Cordless Knockout Punch Tool is a high-performance, battery-powered hydraulic punch designed for fast, precise hole making in metal and plastic enclosures. Part of the Nuron 22V platform, it delivers an impressive 107 kN punching force with auto-retract technology for faster cycles and longer die life. Its slim, well-balanced design, 360-degree rotating head, and integrated LED light ensure excellent control and visibility even in tight spaces. Nuron DWP 15-22 Water Tank. The Hilti Nuron DWP 15-22 Water Tank is a cordless, portable solution for wet cutting and coring, delivering automatic on-demand water flow to suppress dust and boost productivity. Compatible with all Hilti cut-off saws and core drills, it features a telescopic handle, rugged wheels, and a user-friendly control panel with low battery indicator. Powered by the Nuron 22-volt battery platform, it eliminates the need for external water or power. Its efficient design ensures consistent wet cutting, safer work sites, and easy transport. EXO-S Exoskeleton. The Hilti EXO-S. Exoskeleton is a lightweight passive support system that reduces strain and fatigue during overhead work. Fully mechanical, it transfers arm and shoulder loads to the hips, lowering shoulder and neck stress by up to 47%. Weighing just 2.4 kilograms, it allows full mobility for all-day use. Adjustable for different body types and optionally equipped with neck support, the EXO-S is ideal for drywall, sanding, piping, ductwork, and overhead cable installation, boosting comfort and productivity on construction. NMX 622 Paddle Mixer. The Hilti NMX 622 Cordless paddle mixer combines power, precision, and comfort for all your mixing needs. Its high-torque brushless motor effortlessly handles up to 40-litre buckets of concrete, mortar, plaster, or adhesives. The ergonomic double-handle design and variable speed control, up to 600 RPM, reduce strain and splashing. Cordless operation on the Hilti Nuron 22-volt platform ensures safety and mobility, while the safety switch prevents accidental startups. Compatible with 120mm paddles for versatile material mixing. SMT 622 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Hilti SMT 622 Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool, part of the Nuron 22-volt platform, is a compact high-performance tool designed for precise cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal in tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers fast, powerful performance, while variable speed control and tool-free blade changes ensure versatility and convenience. Lightweight and ergonomically balanced, it allows comfortable one-handed operation. An integrated LED enhances visibility, making it ideal for drywall, wood, metal, pipes, and other challenging materials. PM2-PGPOA70 Layout Point Laser. The Hilti PM2-PGPOA70 Layout Point Laser is a precision tool designed for fast and accurate interior layout tasks. Its bright green laser points are up to 4 times more visible than red lasers, ensuring accuracy over longer distances. Self-leveling, within plus or minus 4 degrees, it eliminates manual adjustments, while one-button operation and low battery alerts simplify use. Built for tough job sites, it features a durable, rubber-coated design, IP54 protection, an integrated magnetic foot for metal attachment, and up to 60 hours of operation on AA batteries. PTC Thermal Imaging Camera. The Hilti PTC Thermal Imaging Camera delivers high-resolution infrared, 256 by 192 pixels, and optical imaging to detect heat loss, electrical faults, and mechanical issues. Featuring a wide temperature range, -20 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, dual imaging overlay, and adjustable emissivity, it ensures precise diagnostics. Its rugged IP54 rated design is drop resistant up to 1.5 meters with a 3.5-inch display, intuitive controls, and up to 10 hours of battery life. Data transfer via USB-C makes documentation seamless for professional job sites. NCV 10-22 is a concrete vibrator. The Hilti NCV 10-22 cordless concrete vibrator is a lightweight high-frequency tool on the Nuron 22-volt platform, ideal for consolidating concrete in slabs, columns, walls, and shallow foundations. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement and improves safety, while high-frequency vibration ensures dense, air bubble-free concrete. Weighing just 5.6 pounds, it's ergonomic and reduces operator fatigue. Compatible with multiple head diameters and shaft lengths, and built with durable dust and splash-resistant housing, it delivers reliable performance on demanding construction sites. AIC 1000E Air Cleaner. The Hilti AIC 1000E Air Cleaner is a powerful portable electric air scrubber designed to remove fine dust on construction sites, promoting cleaner and safer work environments. With a maximum airflow of 1000 CFM, it efficiently circulates air and can create negative pressure zones for dust containment. Lightweight and mobile, it easily integrates into dust walls, features filter change indicators, and supports daisy chaining multiple units for larger areas. Its durable IP44 design withstands demanding job site conditions. CP680-P cast-in Firestop sleeve. The Hilti CP680-P. Cast-in Firestop sleeve is a pre-engineered one-step solution for creating fire-rated vertical penetrations through concrete floors. Cast during the slab pour, it eliminates the need for later coring or fire-stopping work. Compatible with various plastic and metal pipes, it features integrated moisture and smoke seals and intumescent material that expands in fire to block smoke and flames. Modular accessories allow adaptation to thick or metal decks, providing reliable, code-compliant installations with up to 4-hour fire ratings. SD 5000-A 22 drywall screwdriver. The Hilti SD 5000A22 cordless drywall screwdriver from the Nuron 22-volt platform is a high-speed, ergonomic tool designed to maximize productivity in drywall installation. Its 5000 RPM brushless motor drives screws quickly and precisely, while the compact, balanced design ensures comfort during extended use, even overhead. Features include a tool-free quick-release system, collated magazine compatibility, precise depth control, and an integrated LED light. Cordless operation enhances mobility and safety, making it ideal for professional contractors.